Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 4th, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8843. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Double those numbers. Yes. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. The 1 is already given, so 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More triple boxes. Nope. How about quarter boxes? I see here 1 quarter box. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. More quarter boxes? Nope. Then the following strategy. Oh, no. We have another quarter box in an L shape. And when you see a quarter box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Okay. And the other numbers could be everywhere. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. More L shapes here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Do we have more L shapes? Let me check. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? We have the Z and the S are the same shape, but mirrored. If you flip this, the S, you will get the Z. If you flip the Z, you will get the S. It's the same shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. Same for the S construction. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Yeah. It's the 5. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This L shape. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L shape area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes and there. Then let me see. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. No 1 here. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Could be a 1. Could be a 1. Well. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. No 1 here. 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If you place 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 2, but we already have a 2 here in this area. So not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 is supposed to be here. Alright, and now this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And also that box can be a 2. So only 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Here the same numbers, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay, and now this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need to think. 1, 2, 5, 3 or 4. Need a 4, need a 3. Well, I need to wait here. Need a 2, need a 4. Come on. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. And I need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 4 means 3 or 5 here. Well. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1. Come on. No 1 here, no 1. 1. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. This one is a hard one. Where's the opening? Need a 4, need a 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1 or 4. Come on. This box cannot be 1, 2 or 4, so 2 numbers left. 3 or 5. We have a 2 there, we have a 4 there, and we have 1 here. So 3 or 5, okay. Well, this box can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here then. Yeah. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this S construction should be here. Then these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Is connected with that box, so 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 here. So it should be a 4. Is connected with that box, so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 or 5. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. And if eliminated here 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then this box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box will be a 5 because can be 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. The 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So if we eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 2 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 is connected with that box. We saw 1 and 4. Well, 1 4. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. To the 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the Z construction should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. I marked this box with 1 and 4. We have a 1 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 to 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 to 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in the Z construction for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there and the final number in this area for number 3. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. I thought maybe I solved this within 50 minutes. Well, took me more than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. But I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yeah. So not the 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Tomorrow we have a speed test. Yeah, a speed test. Tomorrow, the first Friday of the month. Each first Friday of the month, we have a speed test. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.